welcome back to my channel, showing you how to make some note paper and as well as some sticky notes for the back to school season. You can use this to organize your planner or write in your journals, as well as some setting for your K-pop pen pals. Importantly, I'm very excited to say this is a 2018 collaboration with some pretty cool YouTubers. They also made some really amazing K-pop DIYs for back to school, so make sure to check them out. I will have all their links in the description box below, so make sure to show them some love. Importantly, stay 10 out of 10 and let's get started. The first app that I used was called Fonto. You can most likely find this on the Google Store and as well as the App Store. I prefer using more lighter and pastel colors for my backgrounds, only for the reason that I use darker colored pens in school, and so I find that it's more easier to read. I find that Fonto does really do kind of both jobs at once, so if you find the pictures online, you can definitely add them onto Fonto and just customize with the fonts as well. Instead of downloading all your pages from the internet, there's also an app called PixArt that you can find some really cute and customizable stickers that you can add onto the app. If you're looking for the more traditional sort of sticky note size, make sure to keep your dimensions onto the square, and you can adjust the dimensions on top where the multiplier is on top of your app. Fonto also has some preset dimensions that you can choose from. I did this one where it's a little bit more wider and longer so that it fits the more A4 sort of paper, but then I'll be trimming it down to size. Note paper, I went on ahead and made some traditional lines manually, so I went on ahead and adjusted the stroke of it and how long I want the lines and stuff, etc. And to be honest, Fonto is a really easy app once you get to, experiment and get used to it. That's why I'm just showing on the examples of what I did onto the right, so that you guys can experiment on yourself and find whatever is convenient for you. This other app called Line Camera is super adorable. I use it to edit my Instagram pictures, but also I decided that I wanted to add some decals onto the corners of my paper, which you'll see me doing with the BT21 characters, but go ahead and find some really cute stickers from there if you don't feel like using Pinterest or PixArt. They also have some really cute brush options that you can choose from if you're feeling a little bit artsy and just want to draw and manually add some other decals as well. I'll be leaving the link specifically to all the designs that I've made down in the description box below, so if you guys would like to print from that instead, feel free to do so and have fun! Once again, when you're adding lines onto your canvas, personally I like more thicker and bolder lines and having more wider spaces between the top line and the bottom line, which you can accordingly do and adjust to yourself. You can do that by adding spaces within the lines. If you're not a fan of regular canvas and would like something more gritty or something, etc., you can find those pictures on Google and just transfer them into the Fonto app. thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up, and if you do try out these DIYs, make sure to send some pictures my way. As well, don't forget to check out the awesome collaborators that I've collaborated with in this 2018 collaboration. That was a mouthful, but anywho, best of luck to you guys for this 2018 school season, and fighting! I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time, bye guys!